It altered the light for me.
Stop dropping by without an appointment. You know why? Because hell after coming through your door. Sometimes late at night is the coming. Can you play? Hey! Lift it up, pull it up, chuck it up, come again. I've got me rocking in the corner without the lights them turned down low. Down the kiss on the glad they come. Never seen so much good dance flow. Everyone inside is like family. I see no strangers around. Cause every massive is here. And tonight we don't care. Till it's violence dead, let me rock it instead. Jump up and off, every man get. Pull up the vibes that you're playing.
Teacher will say this a big bad dog. Yeah, lock it all over the area. Teacher will sound and lock the ear.
I don't believe in Allah. Take all. Sing.
What the hell?
Everybody's not a 40-year-old and you still look sexy. Put your hands in the air. You know why it go be?
Naturally.
All the ladies who know say over 40 you still look good. Ladies.
No, I never been someone shy until I see your eyes.
Big up your cash,
I
man.
had to try.
Jack Press, what do you do yourself?
Oh, yes. Let me get my first right and then approach you. When I treat you like a man is supposed to. You never have to cry.
Come on, ladies, sing, 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 sing.
I know everyone can relate to when they find it.
So Houston Jerk Fest 2024, let's get ready for the sound clash. I need my judges to come on stage, please. So Sugar Notch, wherever you're there, near range. Peacemaker, we need you up on stage right now, please. And the Viral King, Foota Hype, where you there? Bestie, me see you. Me see you a while ago, you're there already. So alright, while the judges go, make their way on stage. Jamaican, you ready? Judges, Peacemaker, Sugar Notch, Foota Hype, near range. Time ago, time ago, time ago, time ago. Sugar Notch. Paul, no you, me a come.
Good evening, Jerk Fest. How y'all doing? Y'all start having fun yet?
Alright, my name is Sugar Natch. Pick up on yourself. What you say, Danny?
Ladies and gentlemen, Jerk Fest at its best. Are you ready for this? It's a sound clash and we're gonna keep it clean because we have kids and we have family out there. So to all the DJs, just let you know, I'm Donnie, otherwise Conda, from Atlantic Sound. I'll be one of the judges inside the building. So you know, Jerk Fest at its best. Okay, now let me read the rules then for you. Each round is a 6 minutes long.
Right, so all sound man you know follow the rules and do what I do. We just there to see who get eliminated, who get beat up. You know what I mean? Who have the most craft, who have the most styling, the most words, you know what I mean? So, me not in the clash, but me I watch it clash and judge it clash, you understand? People, when you come a little closer, man, a sound clash, you have to come a little closer. Move up on the chair and something and come up a little closer. You understand? Don't afraid, woman, move up your towel. Remember regular sun splash and them something you have to move up. You understand? Yeah, big up paparazzi. Yeah, video my jacket. And jewelry now have nothing to do with this, you know. Yeah. Jamaica, I used to make up one eye shoes and find the size. You see me Rasta? Send that to Europe and Africa all over the place, cause we need a little booking money all over, we can't leave America right now. Taking money and just, you know? So when you come a little closer, come up. Yo, the people with the fold up chair, come, the family are right there, so come up a little closer. Now want a little closer to the action. Big up, big up!
Good punch on Mikey. If you love reggae music, make some noise. I only got 6 minutes. Who came here to see Sizzla Kalongi? I said, who came here to see Sizzla Kalongi? He's gonna be here in a few, but we're not gonna wait. I'm gonna play a Sizzla like you're not gonna hear it tonight. You're gonna hear it right now. We said big up all the God bless. Let we start a small piece of that killing. Jerk Fest, the champ is here.
Well, I said kill, jump and sound. Jamaican and sound. No beg no friend of them go down the dance on the woman.
Alright, stop like it bells you. Yo, DJ
We have done it tonight. Here we go.
Alright then.
All the man says she very special. Yeah. One more song. Yeah, it did. All who want me kids Jamaican, put your hands up in the air. We have something, but Jamaica, but Belizeans, but Caribbean.
We just pussy make send it and land. Left him body stink like a lead at a ball. You are famous, you are the with the man.
So boy, drop.
Can me better, you never jam.
It never jam, full of clothes, loading. I have to come and use that service of places where the artists there. Yeah, you get. Oh, God!
Hey, famous, give them a full. Out of the matter, not them like a rifle.
With a shot
Some someone, love the matter.
that party and beat that teach, you don't know music. The same thing as here last time. All you the mad people, put your hands up in the air. Anybody 25 and older, I go.
I go. Make us show me honor.
All original.
What
famous God I say?
Show me honor.
A long time we are doing this.
Try the fire car, we done got the gas. Famous squad.
You stand Jerk Fest already. You see that song?
All famous squad, you've been through hills and valleys.
And survive out of the old gangster alley.
Enough gunshot where we skip and
You see the march on him straight?
So all who said Jamaican won that round, make some noise. All who said Jamaican won that round, make some noise. All who's the famous squad won that round, make some noise. Alright, the crowd has spoken. Danny, what you say? Foota, you have something to add to it, General?
Big up Mikey and big up, our sound squad. But, one thing that me have to give them the round, opposing to Ras Mikey, is like you can't play Sizzla. You just can't. This is a no-no when artists step on show. You have to just dig and fine tune and be creative. You understand what I say? So, Mikey, you have to take the next round, you know. You have to even up the ball game. You hear that?
Sizzla boy! Well, if I war no one make it start. Somebody not get famous and pop off. Man a big bad man, no take no time at all. Tell this the famous one.
That's how you found you someone.
No one make it start. Somebody not get famous and pop off. Man a big bad man, no take no time at all. Tell this the famous.
Remember me say you're dead already for your place, Sizzla. The whole place you're dead.
Well, famous come to kill, boy. Assassinate and to destroy.
All who like bounty killer, push your up in the ear. Why go?
Why you dead this time? Never gonna help see them blind. Forget same time. Maybe someone like a line. Famous squad now just speak them mind. What's the sign? On a flight in behind. Then this famous squad with weapon like these. Bunch of them
They play Shabba. But you forget to play the real DJ before Shabba then.
Hey, you know one. Men don't listen to the dance.
All who love Ninja man, put your hands up in the air, man. Hey boy.
You should do that before you reach this session. A famous one round the border.
I murder DJ Las Rasta. Then I kiss a sound clash. Famous squad of the Buffalo Soldier. I'm from California. I'm like a real old gangster.
And the wrong side there,
But tonight your sound get mad.
all who want to kill him, we have enough flag in
You're
the
real
air.
selector. When you analyze the history, Jamaica won, them not have no sense. I make them try for this way. When you know them life will end, tonight to kill them in a jerk fest. I murder Mikey one and lay them to rest.
I told ya, don't ramp with that youth here. And my people there, boy. All who love reggae music, put your hands up in the air. We have not done it. Where we are the dirt pits, right up. Now, how much time? How many? What the song there? I don't know how you know. Stop, time short. I'm don't play did I try high, but me find it. And now go get to for the clash here. Yeah? Wait a minute. Oh, they're gonna have a murder. Turn on the sound, no man. You know, all who want me kill Jamaica, we're by it.
Stand Texas.
Watch him in the corner. Where is Jamaica? Where is Jamaica?
If you looking for the Rasta sound, Jamaica dead in the corner.
Murder your boy!
Alright.
Last year, that happened so.
Okay. I gonna tell you this because I know what's going on and I'm the one gonna inform you what's going on. Now, when we say dub plate in the 4th round, it's gonna be dub plate only, no 45. Did y'all hear dub plate play or y'all hear some 45? Anybody who play 45 gonna lose that round. And let me tell you something. We're gonna be honest up here. People, I hear dub plate play. I hear dub plate only. In this round, it's gonna be singing tune dub plate only. No 45. Now, people, let me tell you something. I listen keenly. Joe going on famous squad very good. But he played 45 in this round. So, for me, I don't even gonna ask you. I'm gonna give Mikey won that round.
But I lie. Famous go on wicked around there, but rules are rules. You can't play 45, you understand? And big up Mike's, cause Mike's have some different rule too, you know. Cause Mike say, Famous Squad, when play on a Bob Marley and a Ziggy and a spliff and a cigarette, you understand what I say? But the Clash don't say you have to play Bob because Bob is not here. So if you play somebody, if you sound like Bob and it work, it work. But Joe, you play 45, so the round they gone to Mikey. So Mikey, God like you. No, Sizzla like you. Because Sizzla keep you in the Clash P.
Yo, Sizzla love me, bro.
Alright.
Alright. Mikey, your 3 minutes start.
All who say Sizzla love me, say love. I'm not bad, man. I came all the way here from California to do my best for you people so you enjoyed yourself at Jerkfest. That's it. All who having a good time, say good. Big up yourself, Joe. Big up Famous Squad. Big up Bronco. He made this possible. Every year at Jerkfest I keep. So big up Bronco. Make we bust a shot for Bronco. Boom! I'm happy to be here once again, Houston. I love the vibes. If it wasn't for reggae music, I would have never reached here. This is my 3rd time here, and I'm always happy to reach a Houston. But this is dub for dub. I'm going to play a song, then he's going to try and play a better song. But I know, Joe, you not live far from here. I took a plane to get here. You're just a drive. So I'm going to tell Joe this.
Let the road sound, boy. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Let the road sound, boy. Don't you come back no more. Yes, baby. Say Jamaican one song is a champion song. More that is a song you have to rule the town. Pack up the sound, boy. Don't you come.
Pack up that sound. All who say I'm dead, say dead.
Say 18 and over. What we are gonna do with Jamaican? Sound boy, won't you go home to your nana, go home. Okay. I was just informed a short while ago, that in the essence of time we're going to speed this thing up. So each of you get to play 3 songs. Y'all already play 1 each, so now you got 2 more songs to go, Jamaican, and Famous Squad got 2. Okay? Alright? So, what y'all say? Who took that first song? Jamaican or Famous Squad? Make some noise. you do.
Okay. They're in the round of, they're gonna play 3 songs each. To final it, and whoever win this competition tonight, Jerkfest, 1 song, each song gonna judge. So, upon hearing each song from each sound, let me ask you again. Let me see the end for Jamaica 1 upon hearing his song. He can make some noise. Upon hearing Famous Squad, let me see the end and make some noise. Famous Squad 1.
Alright, let's go. Time. Jamaica.
We say the bomb, I'm not like it. Joe, you not do good to Clash. You know me win already. That's why I'm say, oh, me not dead. But him try to pick fake Marley and custom song when say me dead. Me not dead, me a burn the weed and play song. Oh, who are your better song? Say better.
Kill them.
You know why we are? You know why?
Yes. It was sound like crack. I'm hurting real bad. Sound like crying. You did not play what you're supposed to play. Running off your face, didn't know your little song was in danger. So much danger. On
Made in Jamaica, one not listening good. Running off your mountain, no, them can't find this letter. Oh, what a disaster, yeah. Should've listened up good. Once in a while, now everyone knows.
We not fi say them know it already. You're dead.
You alone have said that. Ain't nobody else saying that. I swear. He keep contradicting. People, when you play music, especially reggae music, you gotta listen to what it says. How is he gonna play a song? I did not play what I was supposed to play. When I played the better song. Didn't I play the better song last round? So how does that song make sense? That song don't make no sense. Bigger song.
This is a
Don't up the song, yeah, man.
special.
Yeah, take him to school. All who love reggae music.
Bronco.
You see tonight.
I knew one day we'd meet for a clash. Sound why I always look forward to that. Look at it now, famous squad got you.
Who was here last Jerk Fest? I call Marcia, I said, Marcia, tell Jamaican.
And show you who is the king.
It's alright with me to kill a some boy. We gonna. Alright. This is the last set of song we wanna play, right?
That one is close. That is
Them have one more 1-1 song. But listen me now. Big song play a while ago now. I don't know if you realize, big up all one of Jamaican and I really know the music like that are two big song play a while ago. But you know why me have to give mics to run now? Nobody no bigger than Berries. So, mics play Berries. You know, famous player, Marcia Griffiths and big combination, but Berries. Yo, mics you got with a road there, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, big up yourself, Foota. Big up yourself, Show. This is the last song. Whoever wins this song wins the dance. Yeah. Big up yourself, Joe. Big up Famous Squad Jerk Fest once again. Make me find it. I'm going to play one of the biggest songs in reggae music. And you know what? It's sung by a female. If you want to hear that song, say kill him. No, seriously though. Me see beer gal. Me want to hear everybody. I'm going to use one of the biggest reggae songs in the world on dubplate. It's a female artist. If you want to hear that song, say kill him. Thank you, Jerk Fest. It was my pleasure. Make we use this and end him.
Yeah!
If you love reggae music, if you're having a good time,
Jamaica one soul and it kill us sound. You jump and sound. So your little idiot sound, you can't throw me down.
thank you so much, Jerk Fest. I hope you had a good time. My name is Jamaica. Until next year.
All right, put your hands together. Joe, next, your last song. Let's go.
Song, all right then.
Yeah.
Boy, it wicked. So the crowd never vote the last one. All right.
We gonna
It's
go.
all
We
good,
gonna
man.
go
Let's
for
go.
the whole room.
When you come to church festival and you kill people, everybody want me kill a boy and send him to California.
Some were run when famous, but none of us. I couldn't stop DJ True Fun. And we nearly reached to
Sometimes sharp, you're dead. All who say him dead, so dead. That you feel know. I try to save you all night, but you're still dead.
All right, judges. Hey, oh me if you decide. You see how they mix up them want me now come decide who win clash. Not I. Foota.
Alright. Since I'm me, don't be biased. I am not going to be biased. I'm going to ask you all to do it. All who say Jamaics win the clash, make be nice with me here. Oh. I'm going to ask that again. Remember, if you're not say Jamaics win, don't say nothing. If you are saying win, make nice. So whether you say who or yeah, and nice here, make still. So if you're not support Jamaics, keep your mouth shut. Okay? If you say Jamaics win the clash, make some nice with me here. Alright? Yo, Joe. Forward. Forward, now, man. All I who say, famous Joe, when the clash makes some noise, let me hear. Alright, we don't need to do no more. Short time.
Wait now, big trophy forward. What you mean? What you mean? Put your hands together.
Hip hip! Hip hip! Yo, I like how you know the rest and the rest know you. Me no know, no. May I keep it? What is it? If you keep it, say keep it! Keep it! Bronco Vet. This name Lightfoot Entertainment. Mike's, where Mike's there? Mike's, come on, man. In sportsmanship and all that. Come on, Mike's. You're a Rasta loving the house. You see me? Remember, said nobody no lose, you know. Because you're a Rasta. All who respect the Rasta, make some nice to the Rasta. Yeah! Rastafari! You know me, I say? Big up Jamaican. Big up. You don't know, Joe, famous squad. You know, want to win the cup because you don't know the people have decided. Big up everybody from Belize, make some noise in the house. Big up everybody from Jamaica, make some noise in the house. Yeah. And big up all who born American and know where you come from. Big up.
Houston Jerk Fest, thank you so much. Again, it's team levels. DJ Patakiri, DJ Miller, DJ Goldfinger, and it's levels with a Z. Thank you. And big up to the promoters of this event. Love on them. Big up on yourself.
Houston Jerk Fest, put your hands together for levels. So! You know, wake up, you know. Alright.
Everybody do this scammer. Let's scammer, come scare with me. Let the music set you free. Let's scammer, and scare with you. Everybody do this scammer too. Give me the horns. Come on, brand new music. Step my smoke and shaking me the breath again. I remember when we visit them with pure stone and this boy got something well. We love how we get to the inval. We love how the four corner of the place are move. So guess what, we're going to take you back to this. Remember, we don't know what one time over here. So we have to entertain the people there. So the one that them dancing, what we there? I think now what we there? But I've never seen a life like this. I know before. I am ready. Let's have a praise. Let's put it. Balance. You know why we love Jerk Fest? And we love what is a great love. I want my people forward to the red kiss. So you know that show you PG-13. If you love your family, put your right hand to the sky. If you say family, right hand to the sky. Family. Are we say what? One more time,
Kingston, Jamaica. Please put your hands together for Foota.
Cross, he's a rebel, and reasonable if an uncomfortable. His foot are high, motherfucker nigga speaking like they're looking at right now, we know say Foota is a youth we are enders, cause it's a little selector we have talent and the brilliant and the humble and the modestable and the decent, not because he's from the gully and the trenches, as we from the bulldozers and the fences. It's a full time, drum it alliance to life.
When it comes to God, original Foota hype, how the back canalization? Hey, up to the time in a Foota hype, you don't know so some boy is that tough.
Good night to everybody who are there. If you see me for the first time, welcome. I go by the name Foota Hype. Most of you know me on social media. Shout out to the people who are not Jamaican, who are not really fully versed on the culture. We represent for reggae and dancehall. Zid, tonight, the star for the show named Sizzla Kalongi. If you listen to Sizzla song before in your life, put one hand in the ear. If you know Sizzla Kalongi, put one hand in the ear. If you have your phone, take out your phone light and make a light up the place. Make Sizzla system have fans out here. Me I go no time. Take out your phone, turn on your phone light, make the Rastaman system fans them out here in the round stage and look. The song you are going to play already, but not play that way here. Because the Sizzla Kalongi tonight, and we have to represent the Sizzla without playing a Sizzla. If you listen to Sizzla song already, turn on your phone light, put your hand in the ear, represent, now watch ya. All who love Sizzla, put one hand in the ear, so. All who have Jamaican friends, Jamaican family, put your hand in the ear. Jamaican parents, listen, listen, listen. Dear friend, God, now, Mr. Listen it again. Remember, we are still it, we put in work. Listen. If you eat Jamaican food already, put your hand in here. The girl them we have Jamaican boyfriend, put your hand in here. The man them we have Jamaican girl is all go. Me can't clip him when the man always fly out. Whether I'm there yard or abroad, put a listen down the area. Till we get some cause we're not afraid. Put a hot gun from boy always. Represent all over the world. Anywhere. You stand in the swing with me. Put a eye for play the same. Mister, if you love yourself, put your hand here. Yeah. Any Guyanese there, put up your hand. Anybody from Barbados, put up your hand. Any Trinidadian there, put up your hand. When the Belizean people, then they put up your hand. Jamaican. Ready. You live the life. Everything you have in mind. Sing again. If you ain't scared that nobody put your hand in the air. If you can defend yourself, put up your hand. Put up your hand. Put up your hand. If you're here with your real friend, hold your friend hand in the ear and say, I love you, my friend. If you're just saying your real friend, say, I love you, my friend. Play some big song tonight. Just sing to me. Rasta, come on stage. You see a wicked to the brown man and his wife. Can't do what you do, man, you. Rasta, have a good night. Big up yourself. You don't care for the Elalina. You see like how, big him up. Round of applause for you, Rasta. Short time, look on the time. I saw me I go on good. You see like how we play. Wait now, Sizzla soon forward, brother. Nobody do that to me, show. You're one of wicked fans, them. We see somebody I go and good and just start cuss with somebody else and then everybody follow you and then boo start run. But like that. Got my lime in my pocket and my girl like you can't mash me up. But do that. Big up Sizzla Kalongi. Me have 12 minutes before Sizzla. When I say Sizzla, you say Dada. Sizzla! Yeah, man. Like how the rest represent the young people them now. Me gonna play something for me grown folks. Like me are 40 something going to 50. So the things that we used to do when we are 20 and 30, we can't do it again. You understand? We can't ride bicycle again. So here I go on now. This is for my grown people who still have a little energy left. Let's go.
It's electric.
Yeah! Everybody can rock to this now. Get up out of your seat and rock to this. I know you, son. You see the elders get up. What y'all gonna do? We said dance with somebody, dance with somebody.
Y'all can do better than that. All right. It is not just me. I go by the name of Showtime, but right now it is Showtime. Houston Jerk Fest 2024. It's been a long time since we've seen him. He is one of the icons, the greatest reggae singers alive. All the way from Kingston, Jamaica, right here in Houston, Texas. Put your hands together for Sizzla Kalongi!
Chill. All of my people and all of my girls and all those beautiful holy man will I say I give me a little more volume on the right before right there. Turn it up. I'm gonna say greetings in the name of the Most High King Selassie I Rastafari. Houston, Texas. Sizzla Kalongi. Hey! All of my people and all of my girls and all those beautiful people I love, they ain't gonna see us fall. They ain't gonna see us fall. Sing for the people and keep cheering for the fans. Love Rastafari, push up your hands, they ain't gonna see us. Are you feeling they ain't gonna see us fall? Pleasant surprise. How they gonna stop you? Open up your eyes. Reach for the top, you're the limited sky. Doing that stuff, yeah. Whoa. I'm letting you know. Judgment, we face them. From them up hands, got to erase them. Girls and who, and the tops in the basement. Hey, you said Texas, it's a blessing. All of my people and all of my girls and all those beautiful women I say, they ain't gonna see us fall. They ain't gonna see us. Hey, sing for the people and keep cheering for the fans. Love Rastafari. One of my blessings. Next track. And don't hesitate. Let it roll. Alright. Give me a little more volume on the stage. Yeah. I don't pray to the Almighty some more fire. Give me a little more volume on the stage. Alright. Let's go. Hey. I'm a touch told you. God will bless us and make us. I trust that we gon' get there. This day to come. Hey, I never doubted. I kept the faith all along. Yo, good person, I'm a servant. That's the way I'm. Hey, you surely deserve all the. And I got all the love to give. Don't signal on a care and say the ring. And I got all the love to give. you, mighty. A blessing to show up there. Oh Lord, this is for you, mighty. Next time I select Holy Mother will like Selassie, I Joe Rastafari. Hey, I'm a Samuel Fireman. If you live here, listen, you will learn. Alright, you know, say so start. I want to say, wow, it's just been a long ride. I haven't seen you, so good to see you again. I can't even begin to express myself over them decades. Have you been to here in Texas? Yeah, like mountains round about Jerusalem. So we say, Papa Selassie, I don't put it, I run it again. Selassie, Rastafari. Big up all of the reggae music fans then. All dancehall fans, big up on yourself. Anyone who found me, say big respect. Start out. Hey. Rain like mountains round about Jerusalem. Hey, so it's a Selassie, around. I. Hey, like mountains round about Jerusalem. Hey, so it's a Selassie, around. Righteousness rests no man. Sing as I need such a prophetical. It's like a come yourself in concept. Babylon fool, you have to find your lack of figures. Well, I will know it's metal in the legs, so only the icons. Free up in the little do you tell you producers. Words, littering is all your litters. Flat time release, well, it's a bunch of lack of hitters. Houston, Texas, more love. Hey, like mountains round about Jerusalem. Pull up and run it again one more time, Holy I Selassie I Joe. I'm a seller to rise. And all his enemies there. Foota bless. Make it work. No, turn it up. I can remember to stay there. Alright. So first of all, bless the Almighty. Foota bless. Foota bless. So we're going to burn my name. Stop secure. And no time for pretend. Babylon. You have someone a rape on the underage girls. A rape on for a woman and a kill them and a sell body parts. Pull up that some blood fire. Speak to the master. Rastafari! I know what's in the patriation. Put up your hands up. Sing out. Babylon and he say a dancer. Make it run on the selector. Don't do that. I'm gonna get mad yet. Alright? Turn it up. I'm here on the show. I'm gonna cuss some bad one. Give me some more fun. I'm aware then. I'm proud for me. Well then, Babylon and he say a dancer. Don't see if you got some of them. Don't care about them or doing now. But I hear you. Babylon and this way and there. Don't see if you got some of them. Don't care about them, yeah, you tell me now. Give me Ethiopia, the motherland. Well, wait. Babylon and this one of them mice, yo. Got a person on me, tell you some two hands. Blackness, we so alright, black woman teeth and this Ethiopian. The flag I never miss us, so we learn Babylon. This going something no non-united nation. Look at that come my favorite repatriation. The Selassie and the Almighty One. Babylon and they say let's go. Selassie I said, Joe. So we say, pull up that. The girls someone who was going to clean when we hear the scream now. Big up all of my fans that when we say on the day from first step on the journey. You said I've been here all days of my life. Where's so that? I can't hear you. So we say others do as they like. So I just have to step out here. Miss that. Well, some good, their heart is right. Waiting to use that next that's me up. Pull up that so that where we are with my side. So we say others do as they like. So I just have to step off it here. Alright, we sing. Some good, their heart is right. Waiting to see you fall. Yes, I'm waiting up. And everyone be church word. So that's it from the soul in success. Holding your fall. And them tell me nothing. When you can't tell me then, well then, that one and them. Pull your parent. Teach us to praise those who do to the high. They need this and not to be forgotten. Well, I will be educated. Suicide and Goliath in the battle. Oh yeah. Satan protection for all and I. That's someone not taught. Well, this is life. Live and protect your own. Could never be right. Keeping your black self. Then now who gets fright when they hear me sound justice and equal. I make Babylon run, go ask them who they are. Them ignorant and just when they said that them are. Well, me no matter your face, now who you are. Every living day that you talk, baby, is a star. Why? Show us the way that has been. Tell. Show us the blessing you want to when I'm serious. And that's where they're right now. You see me? Because the fans and from foundation time, and they said they can't change. Because the people that support rock music, there's so many things happening in your life, you just gotta be careful at this time. Read my selector. I know we have some time, I'm going to say. Yo! So that's say I know. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Praise is Jah and the Emperor. King. I'm Mr. To a fool. Watch it! When I sell out, here we go. Hey! Babylon give them a right for them money get them. And then brainwash them. Babylon give them a right for them. And then brainwash them for them. Don't they get a right for them money get them for me. And then brainwash them. And then journey. When you get up. And then brainwash them. What a fire burn. That one a deal. This one and that. You know this one. Wanna come for your time? But the party continues, alright? All nice and decent people. Special request from Judgment Yard. Wait. Hey, there's nothing in this system. All Christian. No, the criticize them around. You're the cat on the floor. If you're there, let up. Pull up. Pull up. I'll give you an extra. Yeah, but now. These are the people that want to support reggae music from them time. Remember now, Africa is there for you all. You alright? So when I tell you about Africa, don't think it's a joke thing. It's just the love and it's your place, and know about it and do your research. Run that. So I tell the people all the time, some black people. I pass when I bless the crowd. Oh, yeah. Bless up your soul, bless up your life, and bless up your family. Bless up each and everyone. When I say kind over us, Emperor, tell me a road, it's a rugged and steep. I know it is a, hey, for us to make it home. Ever to them, they're not sin of deed. Kind over, no Emperor, seriously. Just them this could never forget me. I know it is a must. For us to make it, ever to them, they're not sin of deed. Well, these are those who constantly they have been placing. The rest of the church and who them never swaying. They wish I knew they pray to be falling. Yet in the place now in the sky you're pricing. Place now every making it out to my way. Now I'm fire to fire. Oh, yeah, conspiracy. Let the gang apply. Now the fall. On the knees we talk and say. Tide over. So the last night says singers and players of instruments when spring R&B. It's royalty, alright? Anyway you're from, maximum respect and be safe already. Hey, yes, we got to be. And we are the best you can. I said the world is the triumphant. And don't you wait, and don't you wait. Yes, we got to be. And we are the best you. I said the world is up there and triumphant. And don't you wait. Are you moving? Long time we haven't seen you. Hope you're giving it like a good behaving. Dedication over violence. What do you say? Education builds the light and ignorance carries the burden. Marcus Garvey told you that, alright? Ooh, yeah. Rise to the occasion, look at you. No one can. Jamaica tell them, rise. Let me hear you sing the next part now. Let me hear you. It's part two. Run that again. Run that again. Run it again, let it go. And turn it off. The people that knows how to make use of their parents' money when they not go to school. Answer here and bust a block. Alright, a judgment yet again. Houston, Texas, rise to the occasion. Look at yourself and say, no one can. Doesn't matter what people think about you. Rise to the occasion. Look at yourself and say, hey, you're shining light. It's for you to make the best. Now that the government's get up and step, you call it Torah. Hey, whoa. Hey, talk it out. Some people read and meditate, and the most can't hear. Some people are conscious about life, others are punting ya. Some people like Xanax and pain and brandy's ya. Baby's the ice cream, cakes and kind of candies ya. And the girls and girls good work through some ashanti ya. Girls of the beat good brand new and I mean spanking you. Mama Africa, a beautiful people, wherever you're from, gotta be strong, still my song. Rise to the occasion, look at you. Always keep a time when they want me to. I keep my wife on the story mine, and they could never ever take my crown. Hold up, bless us. Things getting better when the party put me. Here comes the officers, they're asking father. And Houston, Texas, we burn the fire, we love the first. Carasta man, solid as a. We don't put the power again on the I don't go back, I put it over here, we have them 3 times. Don't you know we have them one trying to do a young to make it to the last. I'm not done them trying to stop you. But what's my name now? You stop. They can't keep a good man. Always keep a child when they want. I kept the vibe and the stone mind, and they could never ever take you. Oh, it's a place I say. Things getting better when the party put me. Here comes the officers, they're asking fire. When I carry the weapon away, yes, I say I got better words. Arrest the man. Yes, they never cure. You probably say. Yo. Even when they set up road, then sharp, flat staff, massive, big up yourself. Yeah. Even when they set up there, they just said, big up yourself, man, flat staff, massive. Shout out the crew. Yo, when they come with the England, I just said so whatever they. Guys, I did you, man. But they come on, man. They try to make up the cars and trying to make. And they keep them kids up their answer. Hey, Houston, Texas, tell them not to silent as up. They just can't. That's it. That's when I said to honor you. Tell them again, I said to love you, I'm not gonna die, it's a loss, see how you proud. With the kiss of my basket on November 19th, Part of it and me, that's the heart of lava. Sizzla, Kalongi, bless the youth, and set the order. Love your mother, always respect your father. Rasta man not tell, smash them doing up. That's what I know it's going to watch. Push it up. My people keep your answer. Real people, you remember? Simplicity will and it pull up. Simplicity will and you found it difficult because they are you feeling? Are you feeling? Put your hands in the air and wave it. Oh yeah, simplicity we used to something. my right. People immediately in front of me. People way out there. Oh, hey, hey. Every one talk about it tonight. And the message tonight. Hypocrisy, not democracy. It's not the laba nadi. Backstabber, not the evil of smokes and fever. Let me tell you now. The meditation of it. The pure and consistent. The overstanding on the smart. Houston, Texas, is not telling to keep the love in your heart. Let's go. Line up some things to the girls. Pull up that. Line up the girls' songs, okay, don't know. Yeah, me know one of my people about a decade now, me know forward the side of the world, yeah. And big up the people that travel a lot of miles to be here. You know what I'm saying? So, big respect and big up yourself for taking that time out of your busy schedule to come support Rastafari reggae music. Well, do remember, it's a development project on, and you don't know, it's a World War III coming, so you gotta start preparing yourself. Start have the food and everything they put on and know what going on, look at medicine chist. And don't forget about the last pandemic we're going on there, sir. So I know what going over there, sir, and don't waste your money. And I'm telling you, sir, buy the lands because that's the assets that's never gonna fail, alright? So run over the mind select the card over there. Yeah, and continue having a good time. And we up on the planet, our place. We have to live for the life. Stand up. Let these words are divine. To all the woman writer. So let the man of my select always again, can't different here. Alright, I am nice and strong. Come on, the woman, so woman. Come up, from the man, they are the boss of them. Yeah. Let these words are divine. To all the woman writer. Yeah, tell them to be fine. Hey, and never go on. Ladies, you're beautiful. When you tell them fine. To all the woman writer. Hey, tell them to be. We can't sing a new song. We can't sing a new song. Houston, hey, Rasta man, don't apologize. Pull up. Real man is on the other. When you say it, let it go. Pull up and get up. Alright, all I need is a man, a Rasta man. The keep up my rule. Hebrew Israelite. Sing, hey, get these words out of. Boy, all the woman writer. Hey, tell them to me. I never go astray. Hey, when you say fine, to all the woman writer. Hey, tell her to be fine. When me sing, I never go astray. Mr. Wanya, when me sing, knowing your motion, who knows your pulse? Joyful will I be in your life. Put away pollution. Everything comes from royalty belongs to my side. Let us care for the younger ones. The future is a son. Let's grow and prove you qualified. Well to know and overstand. No family. We see pushing us in the air. You stand us. Rasta man, don't apologize. Them is sexy and them cute sexy girl Houston, Texas. Can't be looking at some boy bow down. Bow down! Nothing in this young world could have made. Yeah, I don't care. Whoa, on corruption. We don't fear. Jamaica on the fire. Anywhere, we can't stop on the fire. Whoa. Houston, Texas, birds are the bar. Let's go. Die crash, evil my heart, but wrong. Pull up, And you know why? Hey, why does it have to? Can't tell ya. What do you say? Just just am I too humble or ignorant? Think we got to pay the people. Let's try my selector. Remember this song? Ain't no party between the ladies. You what do you say? Hey, oh woman, I need you. Like, pull up. So, uh-oh. We love the ladies. We are to look at myself. Queen, look at myself. Lonnie, Irish, look at myself. Hey, oh woman, I need you. Like, African, that's right, the whole crew, big up on yourself. Need you, like, I can start massive, big up on yourself. Oh woman, like, that is a flash machine. Houston, Texas, New York, Miami, oh my God, Atlanta, big up each and everyone is standing behind. Oh, to call respect, this is what I know. Don't you matter what people might say, black woman, you're my everything. I need you, girl, every night and to be with you, that's the very thing. Well, so let us be together, God, this is what I look at the driving. Oh, life is so much better. You start your first, you are the best. My girls, young friends, came and told you words. Listen, girl, I'm the one that you deserve. So let me take you by your hands and by the mask. Love you, pretty girl. Are you feeling? Make some noise. Turn it up. Turn it up. Hey, let me know. Where do you go? When do you go? Hey, when do you go? Hey, what's that thing, baby, telling you? Hey, I got a sound that fuck up ready. Set up right here. Hey, that just won't stop me from getting you. Let me hear it. Hey. I'm gonna put it again. The man never know them sweats are more fire. Turn up the rhythm. Okay, so that was the chorus. So I want to hear you sing the starting, alright? Hey, a one and a twice. Here we go. Hey, where do you go? What's that big baby? Hey, I got to stop that from. Hey, give me a try, 'cause nothing's things to me. Maybe you're not deny, through love never. Yeah, whoa. I'm gonna, hey, I'm gonna. I select the next one. Push up the lever. Hurry up. Any sexy girl in the land? Eh? You know, them now when I need a place of picture war. One time I love me and they picture me a come on the place of it. Think about me. Come here, come to the party. Them now when I need give it up. No man them. Give it to them, give it up. No man them. Yo, now when you feed them, hypocrite to them, right, but them see. Load up it. Say for the way, and just get rid of. Since you can get your fire, and this a blaze of it all war. That's right. Speed up the children out here. What the man of them on the fire there? Oh yeah, them charges, nobody know ya. You know, second to the point. You know rock with me. Sing it out. You stop. Now one of them. Hey. for them. Houston, Texas, and big respect again. If they violate in the face, we a step again. And me there, yes, I don't know me never. Where's the getting point? Can't listen to them. You know what I wanna? Big up our rubber my friend gangsters all the time. We're not talking about people who rubber kill people. We're not talking about people who live in the community. And make sure some things set right. Yes, sir. Sing it out. Johnson and left them. Any boy. No, no, man. You don't love them. Any boy. No, no, man. Yo, hey, that must have matter. It's a mental sickness or a barber. You want to look for cars and nice the barber. Or you want to find out anybody. You know that it's a that's all. That's it. Parties up. Yeah, it's a few more, you know, the selectors have come to get over. So last year. So we don't like no rap, we don't like no snitcher. People who never snitch, we don't fire now. We're wrong on the paper. Hey, you see Jamaican, what's not you? Greedy though you. Switching on me now. Picking up dirty attitude. Now you lurk on every. Give up everybody. Hey, thought you were my friend. Proved to be my enemies. But we tell them, say, I got you. From all those things that hurting me, I'm gonna. Yeah, I got you. From all those things that hurting me, I'm gonna. Rastaman with the body, I still see I. What's the time when you not behaving? There's been a crime with you. Now there's a fire in you. Now tell me what you gonna do. With a told you not the one you deceive. Simple things that you want just can't believe. Since you don't know what you really need. Take it, remember I've got it, it sounds mean. Hey, I was there to motivate. Whoa, seems you don't appreciate it. Oh, what is it that generate? Oh, motion to destination. Now you're making chant. I got to take. Oh, my. I know what I'm gonna put your hands in the air. Oh, God. Keep fighting the liberation struggle. Get tired. Keep out of trouble. Gotta love your mother, alright? Never disrespect your mama. You should love your mama and take care of your mama. Houston, Texas, I love you all. Hey! Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carried me through all those pain and no one knows this of you, boy. Just only you. Give you all my love, oh yeah. Thank you, mama. Through all those pain and suffering. No one knows this of your boy. Just only you. Just only. Whoa, 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 whoa. Mama, I will never let you down. I never go away. Always be around. You know what you've done. It's such a love, but you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, through the roughest of times. You're mentoring, you come to once you're from the help while sheltering you from the storm. And when this call you up and I tell it so warm. You said Texas, I love you, my people. Love you, yeah. Thank you, mama, father. Yeah, I'm gonna talk for them. Rastafari. You don't know. I search the judgment yard. Run the next one. And that's the thing there. Selassie. So before we leave the stage, we have to bounce that one. Early in the morning, alright? Hey! punches. Hey, 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 hey. Alright, well, then I wake up in the brush my face, give thanks. Instead of say I shine it grace. Hey, get your youth up a step on the road, do it. Your bounce to put on nobody bled. So long my people, they've been struggling. I gotta get them out of the struggling. See you next time, and I love you. Houston, Texas. Holy man, when I still see I joke.
If you do have the meet and greet, make your way to the building. You know where the bathroom was? That is where the meet and greet is. So make sure you forward.